Hello everyone! Welcome to this video where we'll dive into the exciting world of photo editing with Canva, a versatile and user-friendly tool that empowers anyone to create visually stunning designs with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, Canva has something to offer for everyone. Let's jump right in. Canva is perfect for quick creative photo enhancements and basic edits. It provides a host of tools for adjusting color, brightness, contrast, and shadows. While it may not replace high-end photo editing software like Photoshop for professional skin retouching or advanced blemish removal, Canva excels in its simplicity and creative possibilities. Think of it as your go-to for adding that extra sparkle, dynamic text, or unique design elements to make your photos pop. To begin editing, you can create a blank canvas by selecting Custom Size in the For You section, or you can upload your photo directly by clicking Choose Files in the top right corner. Once your photo is uploaded, you can edit it as a standalone image or incorporate it into a design, unlocking more creative features and interactive options. When you start editing, the Edit Image menu offers a wide array of tools. You can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and even remove backgrounds if you have access to Pro features. Applying filters is easy. Simply select a style from the Filters menu, and you can double-click to fine-tune the intensity to match your vision. For enhancements, Canva includes options like auto adjustments, blur effects, and even a blur brush for more selective edits. If you're looking for creative transformations, explore effects like color pop, monochrome, paint, or trippy. Each effect is customizable, letting you control intensity or angles to achieve the desired look. Beyond the basics, Canva offers features like liquefying, pixelating, and face retouching, which is currently in beta. You can also experiment with unique effects such as vision simulators or add frames to your photos for a polished finish. Once you're happy with your edits, sharing your creation is simple. Click Share and select your preferred format, whether it's JPEG, PNG, or PDF. If your design includes animated elements, Canva allows you to download it as an MP4, ensuring your work shines in dynamic formats as well. And that's it. Canva makes photo editing simple, creative, and fun. With just a few clicks, you can transform your photos into captivating designs that are ready to share with the world. Thanks for watching and happy designing!